It's your boy Jay.
Hey, Ninfahall.
And we here with
Breakfast mukbang.
breakfast Burger King mukbang, breakfast Burger King mukbang.
You get happy when you want to eat, ain't you?
Everybody get happy when that food. Oh, let me pray over this food.
Okay.
Dear Lord Father, we thank you, Lord, for the food that we receive, Lord. Let no shout by less strength. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen, amen. I got Burger King Ultimate Breakfast, which is
This gonna be some
pancakes.
It's gonna be nasty, babe.
Pancakes, bacon, and
Eggs.
do you see that? Do you see my eggs?
Wow, why they got separate your eggs like that? Like they just threw it on the plate like so you put it together, make it look good.
I guess I gotta sop it up.
I am trying to toast it. What is this? A toasted what?
French toast.
French toast breakfast. I wanna we're gonna do a thumbnail. Hey y'all, I got everything. I got, you know, you only can choose this and that. I put bacon, ham and sausage on here. So this is the ultimate French toast. Burger King ultimate French toast. Named by PictureUsRolling.
Is there butter in there?
Let me see. Let's have some butter. Nope, no butter, man. Ketchup. They didn't give us no butter. Oh man.
They didn't give you no jelly?
Nope, they gave us ketchup. Wow. But let's get a thumbnail, babe. Let's get this good. Ooh.
My syrup got a hole in it. That's why you're supposed to pray over your stuff, man, because you don't know what these people do.
That's all the meats right there, y'all. Hold on. Want a bite of this, man?
Well, I gotta get my stuff together here, buddy.
Okay. I got some tater tots. Hey, Buzz? Are you? Well, it's a lot.
It's just syrup.
Got some napkins. Y'all, I got French fries in my what's the name?
What you got? I don't know how.
That might be last night, boy.
They ain't clean that. They ain't clean out the grill.
It's fresh.
I don't have no French toast.
It's good. One thing about this, it's a little kind of messy though. That's good. I can get this again.
You know what they did?
What?
They gave me it looked like 2 strips of bacon or 3 strips of bacon broken in half. See?
Wow.
That's the bacon. Ain't no such thing as short bacon.
It ain't.
I will not be eating that breakfast. This again.
It's good.
The picture show is deceiving.
Let's try it.
You want to try this breakfast?
I know. I don't want to try this breakfast.
Wow.
Cause I know you ain't never tried this before.
Look at this, y'all. What is this? It's not what? Yeah, I guess you pay for what you get, huh?
I never tried the French. I want to try the French toast. That's basically what you got, but just with more meat. That's what this is. Take that juicy bite. Oh, you got it. You got it. I want you to bite your paper. That's why I'm pulling it back.
Thank you.
All right. Drink I had got me can't go wrong with iced tea, dog.
We don't have no topic, y'all. We just here for this mukbang. We here for the food. Well, I came for the conversation. We talking, we just ain't got a topic. Okay.
Excuse me.
I got. Yeah, I want one of those.
Go ahead.
Maybe they should put hash brown.
They should put hash brown with yours.
Yeah.
It say ultimate platter.
What's ultimate about this? I don't know. I'm gonna take it back.
Ma'am, I am not satisfied with y'all platter.
The picture show was deceiving.
Like, ooh. I was like, ooh, boy. That platter look like it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Find out this the best thing that came out the deal.
And I'm hungry too.
We got up early in the morning.
I'm
like,
looking forward to this breakfast. Shoot. Yeah.
but one thing, that's some sticky stuff.
They gave me a fork, but no knife.
Now,
What if I wanted to be all cute and cut my what this thing called?
your pancake.
So much for being cute. Cause I had already got the syrup all over my hand.
That's good, you know.
Yep. Pancakes, they ain't like. Okay, this is our fault.
I'm looking at this house, right? Why the garage is so far away from the house?
I don't know, you're right.
I ain't never seen that deal in my life.
Why he got to come with that loud truck? I don't know, Jason, you're right. I'd be mad. I wouldn't even use both of them. That one too.
Yeah. No, I did.
And then the garage is facing the street.
I done made that like an efficiency.
Put a little air conditioning unit in that thing.
Fix that thing up. But yeah. It was good.
I got something called vanilla iced coffee. Look how cute that is. I don't know, we was trying to think of who else got breakfast. Like, I would have liked to did some chicken and waffles or something like that.
I don't know none. Like, who else doing breakfast? We always did Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King, Arby's.
We have the meats.
Oh,
They do.
no, Arby's got some?
I don't know. I ain't never seen no breakfast. I never seen a breakfast commercial for Arby's.
I didn't either. Chick-fil-A. Gee, we ain't
I
like,
ain't no Chick-fil-A either.
a lot of people be like,
Y'all
ooh,
crazy
Chick-fil-A,
about
y'all
Chick-fil-A.
crazy. No, we're not head over heels with
Head over heels about no Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna head over heels for Wendy's and Chick-fil-A. Are just open.
Wendy's got some good breakfast, y'all.
Wendy's do got some banging good breakfast. Tip to y'all Sunday paper. Keep your Sunday paper. Cause
But
they
you
have
have
them
to sell
coupons.
deals in there.
Them little, like Wendy's and stuff, they be having them little coupons. We use those.
I took Starra to Wendy's yesterday for breakfast and dropped her off to school. But I picked the sandwich. I got her the chicken sandwich. You know what she said? I ain't gonna like that. I looked at her. I said, you'll thank me later. She started eating it. She said,
It's good.
She said, thank you. She said, this real good. I said, I told you.
You gotta get out your comfort zone.
Wendy's had a good breakfast, so if y'all don't think so, go try them out.
Yeah, Wendy's do got good breakfast.
And they got these new, like, they don't have, what that is, hash brown? Excuse me, they don't have hash brown. They have, seasoned wedges. And they real good.
How much here? There's some more in here.
Are you full?
I'm okay. I ain't like, ooh,
Oh, you feel
I'm
bad?
satisfied. No, I'm satisfied.
You feel, I'm talking about buy my food.
Yeah, cause you ain't satisfied. Nah, you know how it is. Y'all fellas know how it is. You want your wife, your girlfriend to be satisfied. That's like, okay, all right.
I'm satisfied, I just don't want you to give me your food. That's your food.
I'm full. That little thing filled me up. I got a special order because I had got all the meats. I got the sausage because you only could pick bacon, ham, or sausage. I said, give me all three. They was like, huh? That's gonna be $4 and some change.
Give me the meat.
Give me the meat. Put it all on there. One.
Ooh.
Whew. It filled me up though. You ain't eat potatoes on top of that. Good.
These pancakes fill you up. That bread.
Yeah. The bread gonna fill you up. Bread is a lifesaver. Rice and bread
And potatoes.
and potatoes, you can survive off of that. It may not be what you want, but on the survival mode, that's your go-to right now. All you gotta eat is some
Potatoes, you can make mashed potatoes, potato soup, roast potatoes, baked potato.
I got a question.
Ooh.
Survival for
Okay.
1 month. You gotta eat one food for 1 whole month.
You get to pick three. Oh, I'm about to eat up your
Go
stuff.
ahead. I told you you can eat them.
You get to pick 3 items.
3 items for 1 whole month. Mine's gonna be black beans.
Wait, hold on. Let me change that. If you was stuck on an island, but you can only have 3 items, what's the 3 items you would have? No.
Oh man, we stuck on the island. I went for okay.
That's good.
I'm gonna have to need me a frying pan, some lighter, like some the stuff to make fire, and a fishing rod. That's all I need. That's all I need, boy. Cause I'm gonna eat crab, but I'm gonna have me a seafood boil. I'm telling you, I'm gonna have me a seafood boil because I'm gonna eat crab. Anything I catch, I'm gonna eat.
Okay. What you say again?
Frying pan, frying pan on some like lighter fluids and stuff like that to cook it, and a fishing rod. That's all I need.
You don't want a net?
That'd be even more better with a net. Shoot, I could catch a whole school of fishes and be good.
Okay, so what will your 3 personal items be?
Like hygiene and stuff.
But you pick a frying pan,
Some lighter fluid to cook the food, and a fishing rod. That's a survival kit itself.
excuse me, I said if you stuck on an island,
Yeah.
name 3
3
items you would need.
You would need.
I want some antibacterial soap, a knife, and
See, we're a couple, so we'll be on the island together. So my 3 things and her 3 things, boom, we good.
yeah, a knife, antibacterial soap, and some potatoes.
That will be good. See, I got the fish, you got the potatoes, I got the fishing rod, I got the lighter stuff.
I could make potato chips.
Yep, you can make potato chips, you can make a baked potato. Oh, no, you know my. No trash. Number trash. Oh, whoa! There you go. Well, that's it. But
I need that antibacterial soap to wash my hands, take a bath with, because that salt water gonna tear you up.
Oh, yeah, that's how it will tear you up.
Yeah. And antibacterial kind of like
when it come down to water, I ain't got to worry about it. I just give me a coconut. You got coconuts on the island.
And if I got a knife, I could sharpen me a piece of wood. That'll be my spear to get my fish.
But we're a couple, so we'll be on the island together.
No.
Oh, separate. Oh, I'm good then.
No.
I'm good what I said I'm gonna have then.
Nope.
See, for a man, it's different about soap and all. We don't need soap like that. We just.
Oh, heck, yes, you do. Come on,
you
lady.
You said survive. You said survive. Like food, man. I got me a frying pan.
I got potatoes.
I got my fire.
I got my knife.
And I got my fishing rod.
And I got my antibacterial soap.
Okay, you got your knife, so when you catch the fish, you gonna knife the fish. Oh, I can't catch it. It's gonna be too fast.
I said I'm gonna use that to make me a spear out of the wood to jug my fish and my crabs.
Okay.
You know, to jug my fish and my crabs.
Now, how you gonna cook your food? You gotta learn how to.
I gotta make fire. I learn how to make fire. You know, you rub them 2 sticks or whatever together. It'll be hot enough because you on an island.
And this might what cost an episode. What that thing called Naked and Alone?
No, I ain't naked.
No, what that name that TV show is?
Yeah.
It's Naked and Alone or Naked?
Something naked.
You got you and your partner.
We're not gonna be naked though. We did go.
Hey boy, I see that show there, boy. I see the mosquitoes tearing them alive. Like I see people quit just because of the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes been tearing them alive. Man, I gotta go home. So the person be in the woods by themselves for 21 days.
Make you some mud. You gotta make mud.
Yeah, but what about you somewhere there ain't no mud like that?
Well, okay, there's water. Water and dirt everywhere.
Yeah.
Right?
You're right.
So if you mixing water and dirt, you making mud. Right?
Right.
I put that all over me. That's a nice facial.
Yeah.
Put it all on my face. Put it all over your body.
See, but the thing about that is you don't know what you're allergic to.
Well, you gonna find out.
Look, they could drop you in Peru. They can drop you off in Africa. They can drop you off.
So hold on. You went whole.
That's the TV show.
You went whole.
That's
left
the TV
field.
show.
Okay, and we're not talking about the TV show no more.
But that coordinates with everything, though.
No.
You said island. Oh, she said island, y'all.
Yeah, if we on an island, if you on an island by yourself, what 3 items will you need?
I already told you what I need. I'm good.
Okay, you got a fishing rod. What you fishing with?
When I'm fishing with I could catch little shrimps. I could fish with crabs. I could put a leaf on it and drag make it like it's something that they should catch it. That's all type of stuff. Like, hey.
Not the leaf, y'all. Not the leaf.
Hey, it works sometimes.
Oh my gosh. A leaf?
A leaf.
Okay.
You know how the palm trees like long and strong and it's like you can keep on shrinking it through the water.
Okay, but how long we supposed to be out here on this
month.
island?
A whole month.
Boy, you're gonna be skinny as I don't know what.
Who's gonna be skinny? I'm be eating fish. I'm be eating fish.
That ain't enough nutrients.
Man, look, I'm gonna be ripped up. Like, yeah, boy. I'm gonna be ripped up.
Our camera finna die, y'all. So we love y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you're new to our channel and y'all haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's free. We'll see y'all in the next video.
And check out our gaming channel at PictureUsRolling.
2.
It's right up there.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye. Get out of here. Get off of my camera.
You wouldn't, baby.